Hey everyone, today I'm showing you a dotMD tool. I built it to solve a very frustrating problem. So it's simple markdown editor, completely web-based, and you can quickly share links with others. So why I built it in the first place? So let's imagine a scenario where your product manager asks what Claude or ChatGPT suggested, right? You have currently two options. What you do, you can take a screenshot or you can copy the markdown contents, paste it into Google Docs, and spend times to manually fix the different formatting. It's a small friction, but it happens dozens of times a week. So every AI tool output Markdown. We also love Markdown, and AI also loves Markdown. Engineers can see it rendered in their IDE and in their favorite editor. But what about everyone else? They just see the raw syntax of the Markdown. So I built dotMD where you can paste your AI output, or you can load your entire folder with bunch of markdown files. You can get instantly a shareable link, and your teammate can see a clean rendered document, whether they have the IDE or any other tools. You don't need you don't need any accounts, no downloads, anything. It's completely running entirely in your browser. So let me show you how it works. So you can visit to md.vibexp.io, and you can open your editor. You would see this, and you also get the unique link in your browser that you can already share this with someone else. And then you can, in the left side, you will see all the files, a similar experience like a editor, but this is specialized for markdown and most importantly for AI generated artifacts. So let's say I am creating a document. Then you can save the entire session. You can save it in your local browser, or you can save on cloud. In cloud it will be expired after 7 days, and you can get the instant shareable link that you can share with others. So let me save this for cloud, and it will give me a link that I can share with others later. And yeah, pretty much that's the editor feature. Still, you can also create many more documents. You can also save this, and then one important feature is you can create folder. Then let's say you want to move one file inside a folder, so I'm moving this share md inside a folder. Then I can save it again. Or also another important feature that you can download your entire directory of markdown files, and you see it instantly load all the markdown files from that folder. It's very easy and convenient. And then of course you can also save, and you can share the link with others, and you see that it perfectly render different diagram. It can render very well mermaid diagram, for example. It can also render code and all the basic markdown contents, and also other features that you can see, that you can open multiple documents, and similar to the modern IDEs. And you can also change your editor theme. You can have the dark theme. Then you can also change the font family. You can also change the font size, and then you can also turn off the wrap. And you can also of course disable the previous column if you want to keep things more clean. And yes, you can also expand and collapse the sidebar as well. And anytime you can also see the history of your recent sessions here. So yeah, that's all. That's dotMD. If you're tired of the gap between engineers and the rest of your team when working with AI outputs, try it out. It's completely free, runs in your browser, and take less than a second to share. You can visit md.vibexp.io to experience this by yourself. Thanks for watching.